For over 2 decades, Skype has been a giant in online communication. It connected families, powered businesses, and even became a verb. Let's Skype. But now, it's the end of the road. Microsoft has officially announced that Skype will be shutting down in May 2025, making way for its successor, Microsoft Teams. So, what went wrong? Why is Microsoft killing off a platform they paid $8.5 billion for? And what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. Back in 2003, Skype changed everything. It introduced VoIP technology, letting people make free calls over the internet. No more costly international fees. No more landline restrictions. It was a game changer. By 2011, Microsoft saw the potential and bought Skype for $8.5 billion. At its peak in 2016, Skype had 300 million users. But then, things started to fall apart. So, what caused Skype to decline? Stronger competition, Zoom, WhatsApp, FaceTime, and Slack all launched better, faster, and smoother communication tools. Microsoft's own shift. In 2016, Microsoft launched Teams, a direct rival to Skype, and gradually started focusing on it instead. Performance issues. Users complained about bugs, laggy calls, and a cluttered interface. Meanwhile, competitors kept improving. By 2023, Skype's user base had dropped from 300 million to just 36 million. At that point, the writing was on the wall. On May 5th, 2025, Skype will officially go offline. So, if you're a Skype user, here's what you can do. Move to Microsoft Teams for free. Simply log in with your Skype account, and all your chats and contacts will be transferred automatically. Export your data. If you prefer, you can download your chat history, contacts, and call logs before the shutdown. As for paid Skype users, your credits and subscriptions will remain valid until your next renewal period. After that, Skype's dial pad will still be accessible, but only inside Teams. Let's be honest, Skype changed the world. It made video calls mainstream. It helped businesses, startups, and even long-distance relationships stay connected. But technology evolves, and Microsoft has made its choice. Teams is the future. So, what do you think? Is Microsoft making the right move? Or do you still prefer Skype over Teams? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video insightful, like, share, and subscribe for more updates.